Welcome again guys to another educative tutorial. It's another beginner's tutorial guys. I'm going to show you this part 2 of the first tutorial that we just done previously. So I'm just going to show you on how to attach these temporary locs and style them. So we are going to give our style a touch of a fishtail side bun. So welcome guys. Alright guys, just to reiterate on what I've just told you, we are going to do a side bun which will be given a touch of fishtail, and through that guys, now we are going to style these strands so that we can attach our temporary locs. Alright guys, these are the strands which I'm going to use to attach on my short locs in order to style them. So these are regular locs, but they are kind of longer, so I'm going to subdivide them into two. So that way guys, I'm going to subdivide them like this into two. You can have a look on how I've just secured the hanging strands. So guys, now through this way, this enables us to give our style another touch by elevating the style towards the center and diminishing the style towards the end. That way guys, I'm going to take you through the styling process. We are going to attach the loc strands and thereafter we are going to style them. Alright guys, these are my temporary extensions which I've just attached. Now I'm going to take you through the styling process. Welcome guys. This way to go about it guys. We are going to do inverted fishtail. That way guys, our fishtail will be kind of loose fishtail. Way up to the back. It's very simple guys. You pick one strand from both sides, alternating that way. If you can have a close look guys, now I think you can note some pattern which is coming out. It's a nice pattern. So guys, this is the way to go about it guys. I have been giving so many tutorials on fishtails, so today I don't have to be so elaborative. For those who want to know more about fishtails, kindly you can just go back, revisit my channel. There are so many tutorials on such. So what I'm just doing a simple fishtail. I'm just giving my style a touch of fishtail. So for more tutorials on fishtail braid, kindly just go back on my channel. There are so many tutorials that you can learn from, more so for our beginners. So you can have a look on what I'm doing, guys. Remember, guys, we are here to learn, and these are some of the creative ideas which I'm just sharing with you, so that you can improve your creativity, guys. Now upon reaching this part, guys, I'm going to do my finishing kick by now chipping in my creativity by doing a traditional 3-strand braid, that way, traditional 3-strand braid. So now I'm just going to secure. So we're just going to secure the end, guys. Remember guys, we were doing part 2 of our interlaced barrel twist lines on short dreadlocks, and that way I promised to do a touch of fishtail as our saint pony, and I've taken you through the styling process, and this is our look guys. You can have a look on our fishtail touch has come out. It's a killer guys, it's a nice style, it's wow, it's a nice look that you can cherish. It's a nice style that you can use to flaunt fashion. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial has been interactive. I hope you have learned something from me, and I would like to urge you guys to subscribe to my channel, like my work and comment. Kindly share my tutorials to your friends, and stay locked on my channel for more tutorials to come guys. Welcome.